Hey guys, in previous video we learned about how to show or how to add a Civil3d dimension for the pipe depth from the respective surface to pipe top. In this video we're going to learn about how to show the same information under bands, which is the clear cover or clear depth um, reflecting on the band style, which is not available on Civil3d. So we're going to learn about how to do the same thing. Okay. So let's get into Civil3d. Here I have a section and also have one crossing pipe here, and also I have the same profile view. Like I have a network here for the Civil network, and also I created alignment over the network, and I generated the profile back here. There you can see the pipe and manholes. So the first thing, I'm gonna draw a design profile across the pipe top. So I'm gonna use profile creation tool here. I'm gonna select profile view. I'm gonna name this profile to pipe top. Oops, pipe top. I don't want to add any labels for now. I'm fine with the um, profile style. I'm gonna draw a profile with tangents. Draw profile as per the pipe laid out already. So that's the next point here, and the last one here. Enter. We're done with um, the pipe top. Now we get this profile view the pipe top profile to plan view. How to do that? So we're gonna use a feature line option here. So we're gonna use a create feature line from alignment. I have one alignment here, and with respect to that alignment I'm gonna transfer elevation from pipe top, that's a profile top, and I would like to create a dynamic link. Okay, and okay. So now we have a feature line here, and each time this profile got updated automatically, this feature line will also get updated, because I didn't break the relationship or dynamic relationship between the profile view and the alignment here. You can see here we can't edit any of this feature line information, since I would like to keep the dynamic way. So once we're done with this, once we transfer the pipe top elevation to the plan view, so what to do? We need to create a surface using this feature line. Straight away I'm going to create a surface, select this feature line, and add to surface break line. I'm going to create new surface here. I'm going to name the surface to pipe top. Surface style, I'm going to keep the surface style to no display. Okay. Okay. And here I'm going to name this feature line to pipe top. Okay. So now we done with the creating the surface. The next thing is creating one sample line. I have already created one sample line here where you can see this, and section is also already available here. So what I will do now, I'm gonna add the surface which I created, the pipe top here, add pipe top, and I'm gonna change the style for the pipe, so the surface to standard. Okay, so that's how I can see or identify the surface on the section view. Okay, so now we transferred the pipe top to the section view. I'm going to delete all these unwanted labels here. I don't want to see all these labels. Now we can see that pipe top surface here, which is exactly matching the pipe top. So now once we have this surface, so we already know how to transfer or how to get the information for this using section view bands. I'm going to click on tool space, settings. I'm going to expand section view here, section view, band style, and section data. So the FG elevation and EG elevation offset is already available. So let's add a band here. Oops. Go to section properties, band. I'm gonna add FG elevations. I'm gonna add offset elevation. I don't want to have any gaps between the bands. So for EG, it's a existing surface, and the FG is a finished surface. And for the horizontal offset, with no matter whichever surface you can assign, apply. Okay. So once we've done that, we can see all this information. Now we're done with the simple band setting. Now we have to transfer this uh, the cover, the distance between the top surface to pipe top, into the band. So how we're going to do that? I'm going to use this FG elevation and copy. I'm going to change this name to depth, band details, compose label. I'm going to rename this information proposed elevation to clear cover. Okay. Oops. Okay. And I would leave all this information likewise. I don't want to change that. Here I'm going to change the band height to 0.40. Increment, major increment, it's not required. Since we created the section based on the exactly pipe alignment, so that's a center line. So I'm going to assign the center line data here. So here I'm going to use option here, section 1 elevation minus section 2 elevation. I would like to change the precision, add, okay, where you can see the information here, apply, okay. So I would like to take off all this unwanted information here. You can delete this or else just turn off the visibility here, false, okay. The same thing with the minor increments, false, okay. And the vertices, sample line vertices, make it false, okay. And the grade break, make it false. And the incremental distance, make it false. So we don't have a pipes on all these criteria. We have pipe exactly on the center line. So that's what we assign the information here. Okay, once we've done that, apply. Okay. Now we have created this band. Let's add this band to our section view. Section view properties, depth, add. I'm gonna up this, and I would like to show this band. And section 1, I want to assign from the FG and the section to pipe top, another surface, apply. Okay. So here you can see the information 5.103, which is the clear cover from this finished surface to pipe top, where you can see 5.103 and 5.103. So this is the one method we can bring all this information back in the band when we have a pipe network, and also we have alignment exactly running through the pipe network. So this is the method where we're going to apply. If we have alignment on a road, and then for example, if the alignment is somewhere here, our pipe alignment is our road alignment is somewhere here. On that case, we cannot use this method where we have shown this centerline method, because we need to use a different method for the same, because the centerline method is only useful when we have alignment exactly on our pipeline. So that method shall be discussed or shall be shown in the next video. Thank you.